Thank you for creating time to be here. Today we've decided to do something a little bit different, and I believe it's going to help you in your work with cold emails. We really appreciate your continued support. We're asking a few questions. Would you be interested in us creating a full course on how to do cold email correctly so that you can get more clients? If the answer is yes, we would wish to hear from you. We're going to leave a link in the description, or you can reach out to us in case you are interested in such a course. You can join our waiting list and we'll be able to work with you when we are launching. These are the areas that we're going to cover. All you need is a laptop, you need a VPS and a domain, and all of these are the requirements. The next item we will cover is on how to install a free control panel, how to configure the DNS in terms of other records as SPF, DMARC, MX, and all of this. Again, how to get all of these, accessing webmail, testing the SMTP, installing Motic, installing Mailwiz, connecting SMTP with the email application, that is either Motic or Mailwiz, testing Motic and Mailwiz, how to build the reputation of the system in terms of warming up, and lastly, how to start a business with this knowledge in terms of starting offering a set of clients in need, how you can do this, set up an email marketing campaign for your own business, or how you can start email marketing agency. These are the areas that we intend to cover. Is this something that you will be interested in? If yes, we're going to leave the link in the description so that you can join the waiting list. And if you get enough people, we are going to go ahead and launch it. And also, you're also going to tell us how much would you wish to pay for this course. So that's all we had for you. In case you need any help in regards to your email marketing campaign, don't forget to reach out to us. We will be more than willing to help. And don't forget to share widely and subscribe. It's goodbye for now.